In this video, we'll show you how to complete the party planning activity. And we're using Google Sheets here. However, this could easily be achieved with Excel, with numbers, or any other spreadsheet software. Now, I've just about started this spreadsheet already. I've given it a name here. I've done my headings, item, link, price, how many, and total. And I've found a few different items on different websites with a price listed in the price column. So first thing I'm going to do, I've just selected the top row here. I'm just going to make it clear it's a heading by making it bold, increasing the size a little bit, and painting a little background just to show it's a heading. Now, I've already filled the first column, the item, so now it's link. So the first one is the Christmas cake. I'm going to go to the website I found it, click on the address, copy, and then back to the link category. I'm going to paste that right there. Just going to do the same for the others. So next I have the orange squash and the balloons. And finally, the piñata. Now, obviously, when your pupils do this activity, they'll have a lot more items than we do here. But for example, that's enough for now. If I look at the price column, the problem I have is that there's no pound symbol. I could have typed it in. However, a better option is to format this column to tell the spreadsheet that this is money we're talking about here. So I'm just going to click on the C to select the whole column. I'm going to format and number, and then I'm going to choose currency. Now, if like me, the currencies turned out to be dollars, which is no use, you could go down to the bottom, click more formats and more currencies, and then in there, choose pounds. Click apply, and you can see that it's changed everything to pounds in column C. Column D asks how many of each item do we need. So we only need one Christmas cake. We better get 4 bottles of squash, 3 bags of balloons, and 2 piñatas. The last column now is total. What I need to do here is multiply my price in column C with how many I need in column D to give me the total for that item. To do a formula, I need to go to the formula button over here. Now, I'm finding it at the moment by clicking on more. However, yours, depending on your screen, might already be in the toolbar for you. However, it's this functions button there. And from there, I'm going to click on sum. Now you can see that it started to put the formula in the cell for me. So I'm just going to click on the first box, the price. I'm going to put in the symbol for multiply, which is star, and then click on the second box and press return. It's made the sum for me. A very easy sum this time, £8 multiplied by 1. All I'm going to do now is copy that cell and then paste it into all the other cells, and I will work out the total amount for each one. The final step for this activity is to add up everything in column E to see how much we've spent. So all I'm going to do there is go back to the function button over here, choose sum again, and this time I'm simply going to click on the top number, drag down, and stop just one box above where I am. Click return, and that gives me my total spent amount. And that's it. That's how you do a spreadsheet to plan a party.